Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize modern warfare by enhancing military capabilities and decision-making processes. However, its applications in warfare raise ethical, legal, and security concerns. Some ways AI can be used in warfare include: 1. Autonomous weapons. AI-driven autonomous weapons systems, such as drones or robots, can be equipped with AI algorithms to independently identify, track, and engage targets. This raises concerns about the lack of human control over lethal actions and the potential for unintended consequences. 2. Target identification and tracking. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from sensors, satellites, and cameras to quickly and accurately identify and track potential targets, aiding in intelligence gathering and targeting precision. 3. Cyber warfare. AI can be used to develop sophisticated cyberattack techniques, automate hacking processes, and enhance defensive cybersecurity measures. AI-powered malware and tools could exploit vulnerabilities or disrupt enemy communication systems. 4. Decision support systems. AI can assist military commanders in making informed decisions by analyzing complex data, predicting outcomes, and suggesting courses of action based on historical data and real-time information. 5. Logistics and supply chain. AI can optimize logistics and supply chain operations, ensuring timely and efficient delivery of resources to troops in the field and minimizing wastage. 6. Electronic warfare. AI can help detect and counter electronic warfare threats, such as jamming enemy communication systems or disrupting their radar and sensors. 7. Training and simulation. AI-powered simulators can provide realistic training environments for military personnel, helping them prepare for various scenarios and improve their tactical skills. 8. Medical care. AI can aid in diagnosing and treating wounded soldiers on the battlefield, analyzing medical data to provide rapid and accurate assessments. 9. Strategic analysis. AI can analyze large-scale geopolitical and strategic data to provide insights into potential threats, geopolitical trends, and conflict scenarios. While AI offers potential benefits in warfare, its deployment raises significant ethical questions. Concerns include the lack of human accountability in autonomous weapons, the potential for unintended escalation, the risk of bias in AI decision-making, and the destabilization of international security. Striking a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and ensuring responsible use remains a critical challenge in military contexts. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.